Welcome back again to my channel. Today we're gonna make steamed cabbage, and in the next video we're gonna make banana pancake. Let's go.
Breakfast. Um, I want to make this video because I know there's a lot of people trying to eat some good meal for like in the morning or so, or you can eat this for brunch or so. And I want to share it. So shall we? Okay. So let's start off. We're gonna start off making the steamed cabbage first. First, you need just a small okra. Well, it's not small, and you need basically a little small cut of onion and bell pepper. You want to do different kinds of bell pepper, like yellow, red, and orange, or whatever. You can do so, and green onion, and a little strip of carrot. You want to add that in the flavor. And this is a banana. We're going to make a banana pancake. So we're going to put that aside first. Okay. All right. First, you're going to need, I'm not going to use all of this cabbage. I'm going to use a small amount, a small portion. I just slice off this cabbage and just put it away. I don't need that piece for now. You can put that out for a different day. And first, you're just going to take off the remainder part, like that little ugly cut part. You want to like take it off, and you want to make sure that you wash your cabbage. Once you wash your cabbage, right, you just open it up and wash it. Just let the water run through it for a little bit. I'll wash it a little more. Once you wash it, you just start cutting it up, okay? You don't need to cut it that big. And you put this apart. Once you wash it, you cut it. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more because that piece right there is just gonna basically, once it starts cooking, you're not gonna really see much the portion size, okay? Or wash the next piece. It doesn't have to be size and etc. And these pieces look pretty good, so I don't have to peel it off. And once you cut your cabbage, here's my bowl. I just put the cabbage in here in the meantime. And trying to get everything in there. So that's the cabbage for you. Okay, put it aside. And then you're gonna cut up your remainder of your bell pepper. It doesn't matter how small or big you want to chop it, but I prefer to chop mine very nicely. I already washed these. To the side. And green onion. I like to use all of my green onion cut nice and small. Not wasting anything. Let's give this a wash again because I don't think I washed this one. Cut these out very small. You can mix everything together. Doesn't have to be specific about it, because basically we're gonna saute these for a second. In the meantime, I have my pot over there. Put this. I don't need so much because you want it to taste like steamed cabbage. You don't want to overpower it with the bell pepper. Cut up my bell pepper. Everything is gonna mix in. So I have my pot already heating up. This is okra. Just wash it off a little bit. I didn't think I washed it. And you want to cut this in small pieces. I want to dice them a little bit, you know what I mean? If you want to chop it in half, it's up to you. Onion. I'm just gonna basically chop my onion like this. Once you chop your onion, then the carrot, I'm just gonna basically like scrape it a little bit, just like scrape it just like this. I'm not gonna really peel it. Scrape it. Once I scrape it, I just basically wash it off. Once you wash it off, that's the looks of it. You don't have to cut it up. If you want to cut it, you cut it. I prefer to just basically grater it. It's faster and you get the job done. And all of this right here, I'm just gonna steam. Saute, I mean, sorry. Well, actually, we're gonna basically steam the cabbage. And that's the remainder of all the vegetable that I have right here. And this is what we're gonna basically saute. I'm gonna take you over the saute area. Moment. That's the final stage. So let's take you over this saute area. Add. So that's all of the ingredients that you have here. You got bell pepper, you got onion, you got carrot, you got a little bit of green onion, and also you got okra, and that's it. Okay. So you make it cook and one side first. You don't really turn it because basically you want to saute it for now. But if you want to stir it, you can stir it. In the meantime, just rinse it off these and have my area prepped for my lovely banana pancake that I'm gonna make. Okay. So in the meantime that basically cooking, I'm just gonna basically prepare all of the ingredients for the banana pancake. Okay. So I basically pass it around a little bit. As you can see, that did a golden brown, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. Then I slightly turn my oven, my stove up a little bit. I put it to 2 because it was basically at low. I'm cooking with the this flat top. Basically, it's a LG with the. It's pretty nice and it's pretty strong. And this is basically. In the meantime, I'm gonna prepare all of my ingredients again for my banana pancake. And banana pancake is very easy to make too. And this meal is gonna go together. And one of the next thing I wanna let you know, if you wanna add anything more to this, you can more than happy to do so because it's a veg you can make and it's very nice, and anything to your flavor you can add, which I think I really want to add some shiitake mushroom. I think it will look very good to add to this flavor. I'm gonna wash this off. And I think shiitake mushroom is very nice to use. So I went in my fridge just a while ago and I saw some shiitake mushroom little bit to it. And first I'm going to add it straight to that to saute it. I think it's a good combination at the moment to add. I'm washing off my shiitake mushroom very thoroughly. This will be with a great flavor to add to this. Once I add it in, I think I'm going to add some more. Throw a little bit more in there. Add a little small splash of oil in there. I just need the so that I just move the pot up a little bit. Small amount. You don't need too much. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some lovely season in this thing. This is some natural Jamaican spice seasoning. It's like an okra. Once I add that to it, you see it's nice and green. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add I'm gonna add my cabbage to this. Okay, here you go at the moment. That's all of the cabbage to it. Once I add the cabbage to it, I'm just gonna basically give it a stir. What's on the bottom, bring it on the top, very nicely. So what I'm trying to do right now, I'm trying to like put all of the cabbage down on the bottom. And bring all the remainder of vegetable that I was frying, sauteing, bringing on top. And if you realize I don't really cook all my vegetables all the way, I just basically pass them in and let them cook a little bit, but not too much. Okay. Once you do that, I'll let to wipe my surface. Then you want to close the pot. You want to close the pot so it steam all the way down. That's exactly what we're looking for. We're looking steaming state.
And this is the final end product of my video, and this is steamed cabbage. I want to say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe if you think this video was helpful. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. All right, peace.